Hey guys, so I had this kind of thing on my mind the past couple of weeks, and I have decided to test it out. This is my truck. It's a old '89 model Hilux with a Lexus V8 1UZ in it, the non-VVTi motor, and it's a 4-liter V8. Sounds pretty cool. I didn't build this truck; it's a friend of mine built it. I like the noise. It's not loud enough for me yet. I'm still young, so I like it loud. They say, what's the point of having a V8 if your neighbors doesn't know you have a V8? Okay, anyway, the thing I want to do is I want to remove that box. That's a resonator. I want to keep the resonator just for dampening a little bit of sound, but I want to remove that box. Now, just for fun, I've just loosened the exhaust, so it will bypass that box and the resonator and all this piping, which means it will be loud as balls. I've already started it up, so I know how it sounds. It's ridiculous. I'm gonna just quickly start it up for you guys, and you can tell me if it's too loud. I think it's very fucking loud. Sorry, I think it's very flippin' loud. So let's see. Okay, so as you saw or heard, that was ridiculously loud. I quite like it. I think it's quite obnoxious, quite, well, ridiculous, but I do like it. In South Africa, though, we don't. V8s is something that's not everybody has the privilege to run it. Fuel's expensive. We have all these crazy taxes on everything. The country is not in the best of states. So having a V8 is quite a privilege, I must say. You work hard for it. The thing is, though, what I was worried about, as you can see, it's loose there. All the rumbling, bumbling noises came from there. The lambda sensor is over there. I didn't like that much. So the engine management, I'm running Spitronics. It's a local management. Anyway, so obviously I don't think the management were getting the right reading, and so it smelled completely like it was so rich, but it is running rich the past couple of weeks. So yeah, that's okay. Mad. Okay, so I refitted the exhaust. Let's have a listen. There's the exhaust pipe exit. If I haven't undone it, that's the original exit. Let's have a listen at the stock sound. A bit too quiet. Yeah, that's the stock exhaust sound from the 4-liter V8, the Lexus quad cam 32 valve V8 1UZ. I love the engine. It's a crazy engine, but I think I'm going to have to remove the exhaust box, make it obnoxious, make it loud, irritate some people, get my name in the daily paper of the church. I don't know. Well, just for some added awesomeness, I'm gonna let you have a listen at the intake sound of the V8. So let's have a listen, not from the exhaust side, but from the intake side. it does suck in a lot of air. I kind of got drowsy there, almost passed out from a lack of air. No, I'm just kidding. But it sounds flipping awesome. I like it. So till next time, enjoy your evening.